your day off?
Get in, we are going out.
I'm working. I'm expecting to call from Leah anytime.
Don't worry about her.
You waited around long enough. It's time for you to take action.
Now or never.
Can I give you an advice?
Sure.
Until my urges are gone, I won't stop having fun.
Help us financially. Help us financially. The link is under the video. The link is under the video.
Why you're so excited today?
Jack's coming to get his pay stub today.
Oh my gosh, how is my hair?
It's perfect, just get lost and make an entrance.
Check out faster than they check in, don't they? Sorry, man. I know she was your girl.
She isn't my girl. Anyway, 2 more have checked in since.
That's great.
Sorry, I had you fired.
Matter of time, man. I was getting sloppy. I'll never fuck a girl in this hotel again.
Never say never.
Oh, Jack, I couldn't find your stub. Let me check in the office one more time, okay?
Hi, Jack.
Sonia, I'm sorry for leading you on.
It's forgiven.
For real?
If you take me out after my shift.
What kind of hotel is this?
Hello? Yeah?
We would like a room.